episode 5. The last one was 4, wasn't it? I said it was 3, so this is episode 5. Welcome to episode 5. So, getting ready to get the fuel tank out. I'm trying to get the fuel out. Tried siphoning it out of the hose. Couldn't get the pipe to the bottom because it was curling up and coming out of the fuel. I got it siphoning a little bit and then it stopped. Tried disconnecting where they'd gone into the feed there, but again, wouldn't go through because there must be an air leak in it. Next I tried putting a fuse in the fuel pump, seeing if I got 12 volts out of here, which I didn't, which didn't make any difference because then I tried 12 volts on the pump. It's not a pump, it's just a fuel sender. So if I just take that out of the bucket, you can see it's got no motor on the bottom. It's just a level unit and a pickup, and look, the top's cracked there. Can you see? So I need a new fuel pickup as well. But look at the colour of this fuel in here. I don't think it's meant to be that colour, is it? It's green. So I think we have to throw that away. I can see the bottom. Right, anyway, yeah, I'm getting the fuel tank out, measuring up, checking what other bits I need to order, and then I might have a go at cutting this cross member out later. But it's almost lunchtime. So much mud, so much mud. Got the fuel ring out, that was finger tight. But yeah, this cross member has definitely been replaced before, but they've only done to here. I ground these welds down yesterday, and on the back here it's holed through. This is an original bit of cross member just there. I don't know whether you can see that. I'll get the torch, hang on. So that's original bit of cross member holed through. I can't see what you can see because they haven't replaced it. If I'd have cut that out and done it properly, it would have been alright, wouldn't it? But well, let's get on getting this out. And then I found somewhere that'll do shot blasting and take bits off and get it shot blasted to repaint. So I'll come back to you when I've got this fuel out and when I've got the fuel tank out. So that's all the fuel out. 20 litres. It's just fitting a jerry can. And look what I found. The plastic tube to go through the cross member. It had dropped down there. Stuck in there in all that mud and everything that was there. And of course I've forgotten on these, to get the tank out from the bottom you've got to take the flipping anti-roll bar off, because it's got an anti-roll bar on it. I was going to take it off to paint it, and I need to take it off to change the exhaust, but I wasn't going to take it off yet. Do I take it out from the top? Oh well, maybe a job for another day. Anyway, I'll carry on. Lunchtime, I think. So here we go. Come off doing the back. Decided to put this back together. So this is the diff lock linkage, high-low. So put it back together. New gaskets, new O-rings. So if you watch that bit, now it goes in and out that way and this way. So I can put that back together, put it back in the car, diff lock will work. So I come to put this back on and I've forgotten which is the long bolt. I think it's in bottom left. Can't remember because it's been a couple of weeks. It's been a couple of weeks since I've done it, so I've forgotten. That's not good, is it? I think it's this front long one. So let's take that out, see if I can get that long one in that other side. Long one in the front, short one in the other side. So I'm going to have to do the same to high-low because that's not working fully and it's stiff. Whereas diff lock, dead easy now. So that's okay. Another job done. So it's Tuesday, 13th. 7:30, just having tea. So I've unpicked this cross member on this side. still got to do that side. I'm halfway there, another hour and that bit will be out. That's the old one. Yeah, you can see where they've changed the light. You can see where they've just bodged patches over and filler. And they've welded the, rather than spot welding the lip on, they've blooming seam welded it on the old one. So it's all corroded away. Yeah, we're getting there. We're getting there. And then these are sort of unpicked a bit as well. Yeah, so we've almost got that cross member out. Welding helmet's arrived. So I've got a new welding helmet because I can't find my old one. I've taken the plastic sill covers off, the outer sill covers off, and to be fair, you probably can't see in this light, a bit of surface rust. It's been patched before probably on the outside, so it looks like it's just the inners. Oh, hang on, we've got a torch here. You can see, looks like it's been patched. It's had a outer repair panel put on, I think, just because of the way it's been done. There's the galvanised cross member to go on. So yeah, I suspect the outers have been done already, so I was thinking last night maybe I don't need to replace the whole sills, but now looking at that again, maybe I do. So yeah, tomorrow night hopefully that rest will be out, so see you when the rest is out. There we go, Wednesday after work. Got my new PPE on, new safety glasses, so that I can have my prescription glasses underneath. Let's take this off, hang on. I should take these off first, but my glasses will come off first. They're good, because when you've got safety glasses on, I can't see where I'm cutting. That makes it better. FFP3 mask for the dust. That's better. Oh, that's an old work one, that. Right, get my glasses back on a bit, I'll see ya. So 20 minutes after work, and we've got that other bit out. Just cut it off. So what we'll do is, I don't know whether you can see, but if I get a pointer, I'll grind these bits down so that's flush again. That's where the lip goes for the seal. That bit would have had cross member there, and then a little piece coming off this section of the goalpost coming this way, which was then 4 spot welds. So I'll replace that. That bit looks a bit thin, it's very thin, so I'll replace that. So that'll need some attention. And then in the back of here, if I come round up under there, so you can see the back of the goalpost there. Again, we're going to replace the floor. If I just get the light here, I'm trying to see in my camera. So we've got the floor, that's going to be replaced, this, and then we've got sort of a lip from the goalpost and a remnant to the top of the cross member as well, up there. So I don't know whether you can see it, hopefully you can. Oh, so yeah, so we've had a parcel come today as well. We've got new body mounts. Turn you around. So this is from Atkinson Bespoke Engineering. We've got new body mounts, 2 pairs of them, and should be as well the pins. There we go, 2 pins for the actual tailgate hinges, because I haven't got any of those. So that'll do for now. I've got my coffee to drink. I just wanted to get that off tonight, which I've done. So cheers. Onwards and upwards. I'll get the fuel tank out next. It's ready to come out, and then it'll be cleaning up those things ready to weld back in, and starting to get ready for paint, de-rust the chassis, anti-rust on it, and then paint it over the weekend. Then the cross member can go in. Then it'll start to look better. Then I've got to sort the floor sections. Once I've done the floor sections, side panel, I have a plan, a cunning plan. Right, cheers. See you later. Before I go, a couple of other bits. Look at the state of this little bit of cross member that came off. So there was no back to it. So that's the other bit. So that's the top edge that's facing the front of the car that way. That's just how little was left. That was in there like that. Oh, so I got it the wrong way around. That's the front of the car that way. Wherever I said was the front of the car was facing the back of the car. So yeah, nothing dreadful. I've seen worse to be fair. And then the other thing, when I get the fuel tank out, I might see if I can get the tow bar off over the weekend, and then I can paint the inside of the tow bar and underneath this cross member better. Right, ta-ra! There we go, so fuel tank out. What sort of state is this in? Will this clean up? Or do I need a new one of them? Get the bucket under there and then that's fuel tank. That'll clean up. Not too bad. Right, we're moving. So there we go, that's the answer. New tank guard needed, hole through at the back, at the front even. That's above the axle. Wonder what the axle's going to be like. Is that going to need replacing or welding? Not sure. Don't know, not convinced. It's not wet, so that's promising. Yeah, right, clean up this weekend. Give it a real good clean up. I need to buy a new wire bush. Alright, see you in the next one. Bye.